Shanthi asana. This asana is also known as shavasana. For this, lie on your back. Keep your legs apart while your palms are facing upwards. Now close your eyes and relax while letting my voice guide you. Focus on what I say and experience the calmness of this journey. Shanti means peace. All your parts are at peace now. Let's begin. First, bring your attention to your face. Concentrate on your eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, and brain. Imagine the functions of all these sense organs like seeing, smelling, tasting, thinking, and whatever problems we have in these organs. Now, you have to submit all the above said parts, their functions, their weight, and all the related problems to Mother Earth. Now, bring your focus to neck and neck related regions. Concentrate on throat, thyroid, parathyroid, the weight of these organs, and any problems related to that. Again, like before, surrender all these to Mother Earth. Slowly shift your focus to your heart and lungs. Concentrate on their functions, weight, problems, if any. Completely surrender all these to Mother Earth. Bring the focus to your hand, shoulders, fingers, wrist, and the joints, which help you in carrying out your everyday tasks. Submit all these to Mother Earth. Same way, stomach, parts that aid in digestion, liver, kidneys, uterus, ovaries, hip and pelvic regions, all your excretory organs, let Mother Earth keep it safe for you. Just surrender them to her. Next, come to the part which helps us move from one place to another. Legs and concerned parts. Our thighs, knee, joints, calf muscles, ankle joints, feet, palm of the feet, and fingers. Submit this entire system, its functions, its weight, and problems, if any, to Mother Earth, who is going to take care of it for you. Now, we have surrendered the entire body to Mother Earth. We only have our soul or the conscience with us. Now, through this, we can only feel our breath. Focus on your breath. You now feel that when you inhale, the limitless universal energy goes into you and you feel refreshed. When the air is exhaled, it takes out all the problems, grievances, and goes out in the form of carbon dioxide. While inhaling, imagine a light going inside to cleanse and refresh you. And while exhaling, imagine a black smoke leaving your system, which is nothing but the dirt which was bothering you till now. Next, until you hear my voice, just relax and listen to your own breathing. Now, whatever I'm going to say, just repeat with me. You need not actually say it out, just repeat it within your mind. I am now strong, healthy, happy, and a loving person. I am now strong, healthy, happy, and a loving person. I am now strong, healthy, happy, and a loving person. Thank Mother Earth for holding your parts for so long. We are now going to take back your parts. Bring your attention to your feet and concerned parts. Your thighs, knee, joints, calf muscles, ankle and ankle joints, feet, palm of the feet and fingers are now in their respective places. Hip, pelvic regions, stomach, digestive parts, liver, kidneys, uterus, ovaries, all excretory organs, hearts and lungs are there in respective places now. Next, our neck regions and the related organs, face and related organs are now in place. Feel that your body is back to you now. Slowly raise your right hand and turn to your right side. Now slowly get up and sit in a comfortable position. Rub your palms together. Keep it on your eyes. Feel the warmth of your palms. Bring your hands down and open your eyes. You have now finished your shanthi asana. You are full of energy. At the same time, your mind is calm. Thank you. Shanthi.